Through its global network, Thermon provides safe, reliable, and innovative mission-critical industrial process heating solutions. Thermon specializes in providing complete flow assurance, process heating, temperature maintenance, freeze protection, and environmental monitoring solutions. Typical heat trace applications are designed to replace the heat loss of insulated pipe, tanks, or equipment as ambient temperature drops. Applications include freeze protection of piping and tanks, external line heating, temperature maintenance, hazardous area heating, advanced control and technology. Thermon provides safe and reliable heating solutions at the lowest total cost of ownership. Advanced control and heating optimization. Controls technology with remote access and IIoT. Explosion-proof products rated for the most extreme conditions. Thermon heat tracing. Advanced freeze protection and temperature maintenance technology. A cross-sectional view. How the heat trace cable transfers heat into the process pipe with the assistance of proper insulation. Thermon Heating Systems. Introducing the Ruffneck FX5. Heaters for the harshest environments. The Thermon Roughneck is designed for harsh applications in oil refineries, petrochemical plants, pulp and paper mills, grain elevators, hazardous waste, storage facilities, wastewater treatment plants, repair shops, hoist houses, weigh-scale pits, welding shops, maintenance shops, crane cabs, chemical plants. The Thermon Roughneck's extra heavy-duty design meets the most demanding service and long life requirements for rugged industrial applications, such as space heating and liquid cooling. Specifically designed for applications that may be subject to freezing conditions, and of particular value for outdoor applications. The Thermon Roughneck line features explosion-proof electric air heaters, heat exchanger unit heaters, corrosion-resistant washdown unit heaters, convection heaters, and thermostats, all specifically engineered for heavy-duty use in industrial environments. Cata-Dyne, explosion-proof gas catalytic heaters. The large surface area of the Cata-Dyne heater allows for efficient transfer of infrared heat that can be used in a variety of applications including facility space heating, process heating, freeze protection, comfort heating, ovens, compressor buildings, separator, and dehydration buildings, wellhead shelters, meter runs, header buildings, water injection facilities, chemical storage buildings, pipeline heater enclosures, instrument gas heating, rotary meter enclosures, regulator, and choke valve enclosures, orifice fitting enclosures. Katadyn explosion-proof heaters are available in various models with BTU ratings ranging from 1,250 to 60,000 BTUs per hour. Catalytic heating systems require clean, dry, sweet high BTU natural gas to 1,000 BTUs per cubic foot at 7 inches water column. It is important that impurities such as hydrogen sulfide, moisture and condensate be eliminated from the fuel gas for the Katadyn, ensuring correct operation of the heaters. Typically, 93% methane gas is standard. Katadyn. The natural gas industry standard in infrared explosion-proof gas catalytic heating. Safe, reliable, efficient heating equipment for hazardous heating applications. Customized engineered heating systems are available for specialized applications. Katadyn advantages. Catalytic heaters provide superior spot heating solutions. Ease of use, startup time in less than 20 minutes. Ideal for remote locations where electrical service is not available. Safety shutoff valve allows the system to shut down immediately when the gas flow is interrupted.